This is a 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a good V8 engine, four-wheel drive, and it's in really good shape with just a little over 100,000 original miles. Just a very little bit of rust at the very underneath of the vehicle, surface rust at the very edges of the doors, but overall pretty clean. A few little scratches, a few little dents, but being a car from Michigan, you know, especially a four-wheel drive one, you think be in the wintertime, it'd be all rusted out like most of them are. This one's in really good shape. Now, I like the headlights, the grille. It does have a little bit more of a luxurious feel compared to the other Jeeps of this time, but it's still rugged. And the first thing my uncle did was got a lift kit and he got some new tires and wheels. Now, what he did was basically just found someone selling their used Wrangler wheels. These are Wrangler JK rims and the tires that were on them. And I think overall, with a nice little bit of a lift kit, you can tell it's a solid, overall good stance. You guys let me know in the comments below. Have you done this before with your vehicle? What do you think this one looks? Would you prefer it to be higher? I think if the tires were a little bit more aggressive, maybe another half-inch lift, probably perfect for this vehicle, but it is in pretty good shape. But you can see little scratches here and there. Not perfect, but in pretty good shape. Door panel. Hard touch materials. But a lot of people like to rag on the old Chrysler stuff. Now, some of it is cheap garbage, but in this generation, all this stuff is held up really nice. It's not the old, what was it, the Ram dashes, the 1500s, where the top would all crumble away. This stuff would stay around. This stuff would last, especially if you maintained it. This vehicle being as old as it is, looks pretty good. I know it's dirty, sorry about that, but we'll step inside. Sitting up front, you can see I have a nice commanding view. Overall, the dash is held up very well. Up here, it is a softer touch material. You have nice trays above the center stack and above the glove box. You have painted plastics to kind of sprucing it up, make it feel a little bit more luxurious. CD player, large knobs. Nice and simple. They do still have a nice tactile click to them with a little over 100,000 miles. Ashtray. And you have the select track system. Automatic transmissions over here, and this can go through all my modes. Let me get down here for you. You can see 2-wheel drive, 4 part-time, 4 full-time. You have your neutral and your 4 low, the select track system. It was just basically what Jeep used during this time frame, and it was mostly found here in the Grand Cherokee, which is the higher-end vehicle. Jeep wanted something that can compete with the Explorer, and for the time, this is a pretty good job. It felt better than the Cherokee. It felt new, fresh, and not only could you get the inline 6 in this vehicle, you can get the V8 engine like this bad boy has. So let's go for a little bit of a drive. Driving the vehicle is nice, but with the lift and the tires, you can tell it moves back and forth a little bit. It's not as composed as it would have been before the lift, but that's what happens when you're in the game, when you lift a vehicle. I do like the overall dash, like I said. Driving dynamics are good. It would be nice to test the 4-wheel drive system out, but I had no complaints. It's a comfortable vehicle. The engine's got plenty of power. And just cruising on this road, it's smooth, driving straight. I'm just having a great time. And I really like these Jeeps. If you can find them in good shape and you can get a price on them, this could be a great winter car or even a daily driver. All right, so that's my uncle's 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And overall, I like the vehicle. The lift looks cool. The vehicle itself is in pretty good shape. And it's cool. It's got a V8 engine. It's different. It's unique. And I just want to know from you guys, what would you like to see from it? We have it just for a week or two, so if you want to see any different kind of content with this vehicle, let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below. Let me know, have you owned one of these vehicles? Did you like it? Did you love it? And did you do any mods to it? Did you lift it? Did you take it off-road? Did you swap the engine? Maybe put a more modern Hemi, replacing this older V8 engine? Or did you have the good old inline 6? Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below.